Time to get up. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, see, the sun is shining. Yes, good morning. Da, 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 da. Come here.
Good morning.
Time to get up. Do you need some help?
Yes.
Come. Yes.
Good morning, world. Good morning, Ula.
Good morning.
Where's our son?
Oh, he's downstairs sleeping.
Yeah.
He's ready to get to school.
Okay.
Sun is shining.
Sun is shining. Yes. Let's go. Tommy John. Tommy John is loungewear. They are pajamas. They are comfortable. It's cotton. I'm a mom. And I now truly appreciate me time. And I want to sleep in comfort without my clothes being pulled in different directions. So they've got all kinds of loungewear. Live for them. Love, love, love the pajama sets that they have. Super, super comfortable. You know that jersey feeling? That's it. Throw it in the wash, it doesn't lose its shape. It's a really fabulous loungewear, underwear brand that will not fail you. I wear this also. This is the gray top here, and it's got like a little button down. You would think that, oh, it's for men. No, it is for women. Beautiful, soft. It's fabulous for layering. I'll put like a t-shirt underneath this. I'll put this on. I'm out the door. So come celebrate softness this season with Tommy John. Click the link and use my code Fumidesaluvold for 20% off. And you gotta act fast, as this offer only lasts until the 17th of December. Darlings, this video is sponsored by Tommy John. Enjoy, my darlings. Thank you, Tommy John. Love you guys so much. Smiling and waving. Guys, go out there and get all of your wonderful pieces for the holidays. They are truly and absolutely the best. Yeah. And so my morning starts. Always blessed to meet another day and to go ahead and achieve all of my dreams. Brushing your teeth. You got to brush your teeth. So I do that, and then I kind of have my wonderful shower.
Everything about you perfectly undone, and I was like a statue staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later I did. If I jump, I will fall.
And then, my darlings, JUVIA Skin. I love to cleanse my face. I love this cleanser. It just gets all the impurities out. When I am running around in the mornings, I don't really wear makeup, but I love to have clean skin. And this is like super, super duper gentle on my skin. It doesn't dry out. It's not tight. I have a discount code for JUVIA Skin. It is Fumi, so go ahead and use it. And then from there, I go into JUVIA Skin Toner. Wonderful. Keeps my skin squeaky clean, but it doesn't dry out my skin, which I love. It just keeps it lovely, nice, supple, very, very clear. And it just takes out all the impurities, and it just keeps my skin nice, bright, and even. I go in with moisturizer You have to have moisturizer, my darlings. Moisturize, 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 most especially because of this time. It's winter now, so you need moisturizer more than ever before. Go into my little wardrobe, grab something warm. I love cable sweaters, cable pants. I love cable, super fun, super comfortable, fantastic to do my morning school runs with my wonderful baby Padusk. Run down the stairs and it's fun. I just love coming here. It's also kind of my, like, the playroom I wish I had when I was a kid. It's so much fun. Happy. Of course, by this time now, Ola has taken Adrian down, given him his bath, and we are ready for what? We are ready for the school run. He always looks as if, oh, Mom, I don't want to go. So I have to kiss him, I have to pet him up. But yeah, he gives me a big smile. This is one of the most important times of my day because I get to hug him, I get to kiss him, wish him well, and he's off to school. I turn around, I make my way back, and it's time for work. Christina, how are you?
Yes, the PR packages.
Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
How are you?
All for you.
Yes, it is a busy day.
Wow.
Yes.
Lots of work to do today.
I know, lots of work to do. But the sun is shining. It really looks nice. The weather's nice. How are you, my darling?
I'm good.
Then we got a couple of events.
Yes.
As well. And yeah, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Let me go close the door. Okay.
You're sweating.
I know. I know. You'll keep going. That's it.
Tone that body. You're doing well.
Hi. And we go over here. It's very, very simple. Boom, boom, boom. We'll take cereal. That's how we do it. Yep. Then we go up here. Yes, all the way up. Love it. And then we usually have breakfast together. Sit. Yes. Open it. Christina, have a sit down.
Thank you. Let me get a spoon.
2 spoons.
Mm.
Yeah.